So location is Delhi.
Okay, sir.
So,
Location is Delhi. Delhi.
Are you comfortable for relocation?
Yeah, I am comfortable for relocation, ma'am. There are
but
no
you
issues.
love Hyderabad.
Biryani.
I love Hyderabad, but for career opportunities, we need to sacrifice something, or else this is the thing. So yeah, I would like to relocate.
All right.
And what is your expectation related to the package?
12 to 14 LPM.
But realities might be different. Sir, आप बताएं.
8 lakh per annum, sir.
Are you, if like on this moment you have to decide yes or no?
We are offering
Age.
you 8 lakh per annum.
On the table
We
today
can
itself.
negotiate. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Vivek. Are we audible?
Yeah. You're audible, sir.
All right. So let's start, Vivek. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity. And I am Vivek Loya. I have passed CMA final examination in December 25 attempt, and I have secured an All India rank 20 in CMA final. And I've also done my BCom from Osmania University, and I have completed my 15-month articleship from a mid-sized CA firm, A.S. Agarwal and Co. And I live in Hyderabad.
All right. So, Vivek, first of all, tell me, do you know something about Jindals? I mean, have you done some research on us?
Yeah, I have done some research on it. So Jindal Co has been started or founded in 1952, sir. So it's a main strong character or lead company in aluminium and as well as the steel sector, sir.
Hmm. What is one thing that makes us different from the other participants of the same industry?
Yeah, so majority over here is manufacturing, sir. So I'm one thing very interested in that sector to go in on
So,
grounds, on site work.
my question is, what is the different and unique thing in Jindals that is not present in other steel manufacturers or aluminum manufacturers of the same industry?
Uh, it's actually top in India, sir. So who doesn't want to join in Jindal?
All right. Yes, sir. And ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have remarkable, excellent academic background. It's very good. And on year 20, congratulations. Could you just tell me your experience as a article assistant in your firm, A.S. Agarwal and Company?
Yeah, I have started my articleship journey in A.S. Agarwal and Co. So what the things I have learned is first secretarial compliances, all the filings to the MCAs I have done over there. And also next thing, GST returns, GSTR1, 3Bs and 990s. Then income tax returns are also I have done. Then stat audits, tax audits also I have done. And preparation of financial statements, that is also a major part, that thing.
Okay, my question related to the GST. Just take a scenario. If you have already issued a GST invoice, right, to your customers, and you wrongly charge the GST amount or wrongly charge GST rate, and later on you find it, how will you correct it? There was wrong GST rate in original invoice. Okay, later on you find it, then tell me the steps, how will you correct it?
So there are also credit notes and debit notes to be issued. So if there are any changes wrongly, if we have reduced the GST rate or increased the GST rate, basis on that we will issue the credit note or debit note.
Okay, if there is increase in GST rate, which note you will use?
Increase in GST rates. Ma'am,
Yes.
credit note I will issue, ma'am.
Okay. And my next question is also related to GST. If you, like your company already claimed ITC and the company, the payment to that particular supplier was not made in 180 days, then what kind of action you will take?
basic GST provision is when we take or purchase the goods within 180 days, we need to pay to the vendor. Otherwise, the ITC which we have taken, it will be added to our output liability with interest.
Okay, very good. And you have a good experience, I think, good exposure in different kind of a software, that is Tally, Zoho. Okay. So could you please tell me what is the difference between one accounting software and ERP?
Difference between Tally or Zoho, ma'am?
No, in accounting software and ERP software. You just tell me Tally or Zoho are ERP or accounting software.
Sorry, ma'am. I'll just let you.
Okay, okay, no problem. And okay, what is the provision for bad debts?
Provision for bad debts entry, ma'am?
No, you just explain me what is that?
Okay. When a debtor doesn't give us the money which is pending from it, so we assume that he will not give in future. So we provide a provision on that. He will does not provide us the money. So we'll write down a provision in the P&L account.
Entry?
P&L account debit to provision on bad debts.
So please.
Vivek, you have cleared your CMA with all the rank and you have exemptions in 6 papers. You have mentioned that. What value can you add to our company within your first 30 days?
As I said, there are multiple exemptions in 6 exemptions in the paper. I'll provide a stability and leadership qualities to our in the company. I have worked in my firm. I have worked in many groups and companies where I've provided a leadership qualities and I've taken initiations over there and I've completed all the things within time. Example, I would take, there were corporate filings actually, AOC force, which were needed to be done within time, within 30 days from the AGM. So there were many actually, 30 to 40 AOC force were pending. So we initiated, taken it, and we have completed it within the time with our team, and we have exhibited it to client within the time.
Okay. So what differentiate from the other what differentiate you from other candidates?
Same thing I like to say, the main leadership qualities, and again time management. These are the 2 important factors I would say.
So
Vivek, can you tell me the difference between MGT 7 and 7A?
MGT 7A is used for small companies, sir. MGT 7 is used for big companies, other than small companies.
Right,
So,
so
and
that's the applicability. So what is the difference?
difference in MGT 7A,
You're going
yeah,
good. You're going good. MGT 7A is for small company. That's absolutely correct. What may be the difference in content or the number of pages or the size, the data compilation? What is the difference?
sorry, sir, I cannot recall it right now.
No issues. What is the difference between a bank reconciliation statement that we generally make and a GST reconciliation statement? I mean, both are
In
reconciliation.
in BRS, what initially we do, we reconcile the bank statement with our books. If we say tally or something, with our books with bank statement, we reconcile it both. In GST reconciliation, we take a summary from the GST website of ITC and all the things and reconcile it with the books.
All right. So what is the frequency of preparing the BRS and the GST reconciliation?
GST, we need to do it monthly, sir. In BRS, bank reconciliation, as my experience, when statutory audit is done, we do it at that time, BRS.
Is it compulsory to do these 2 reconciliation or it is to us whether we wish to do or not?
So it's actually a mandate only because if we see many differences will be coming out from them, so we can adjust it out in future. So how to take initiatives?
All right, but are they mandatory by law or
No,
requirements?
not mandatory by law, but it's a requirement. It's a major
All right,
requirement, I would say.
good. What is the difference between way bill we used before GST and the e-way bill that is used after GST?
I did not get you, sir.
We used to have a document before introduction of GST. We used to call it way bill, WAY. And after introduction of GST, we got e-way bill. What is the difference between a way bill before GST and an e-way bill after GST?
Frankly, I don't know about A-bill, but if I talk about e-way bill, it's a bill if our outward supply is more than 50,000, including GST. We need to file it to the e-way bill website to show for the movement of the goods.
All right. So, I mean, just one more question on the technical part. If you are preparing financial statements and you need to mention goodwill for a company, for a private limited company, the goodwill is to be mentioned in the balance sheet. How would you disclose it? Treatment of disclosure of goodwill in a private limited company's financial statements.
Sorry, sir, I cannot recall it right now, but I'm sure I'll read about it.
Over to you,
Yes,
sir.
Vivek, one question, please. Where do you see yourself professionally in the next 5 years?
I see myself in next 5 years in the decision-making group of CFO in the company.
Okay. Tell me your one strength and one weakness.
One strength, mainly time management and leadership qualities. That are the two. And weakness, I would say, I rely on more qualitative content rather than normal content. So it takes time, and it takes time. So time factor is the one thing I would say is quite a weakness, because if you take time, the quality will be increased.
You have mentioned that you are having a leadership quality. Provide us with your one leadership example.
One uh, in client place, where in my articleship, during my articleship, in client place, I have taken the initiative of the audits. So I was leading the team of two in that, and that's the one.
Okay.
What is the leadership there? I mean, somebody has to lead the team, right? There were three people, or two of them were reporting you in that team. So, what leadership quality is being exemplified with this example?
So basically, accountability. The thing, all accountability was coming on me, not on the other two. I used to provide all accountability to my employer, and also the time factor is also determined over there. So we need to wrap the things quickly in the client place. So these are the two things.
All right, there's one mismatch I found in your answer. You said you have capabilities of time management, and your weakness is taking up time because you look for quality. And when you look for quality, you take too much time. How can you say that you have good time management skills?
Not too much time, but basically more than quite. Actually, in case what I've given you an example of AOC force, we actually divided it with the number of days, available forms divided by number of days, leaving last day as a spare. So we distributed all these forms with like this, with this thing. So it will be easy and it will be completed as soon as possible with quality.
All right, please.
How you ensure the quality in a shorter span? Like if there are a few days left, then how you ensure the quality?
Based on which context,
Like as you already mentioned about the AOC4, if there are so many, like you have tasks to do, but there are a few people and even there is a constant of time, then how you ensure, as you already told us, you emphasize on the quality.
so first of all, we take a
My
team
question
meeting.
is regarding how you handle your pressure, then how you manage it.
How I handle my pressure. So we need to, ma'am. Without that, actually, we cannot in workplace area. So there was a constant pressure from the employer. But if we do one form filling, we'll get an idea about how to do the others. So learning curve will also come in the effect. So it will become quickly.
Okay. Okay. Vivek, tell me if, like in Jindal, as you know, we have a lot of transactions, and sometimes we have received the a big data in Excel file, and we need a quick summary report. Then what kind of or what type of tools you use in Excel to make that?
I will use pivot table, ma'am, because it drills down the heavy data, large data into a small table.
Okay. Or could you please give me difference between what are the provisions and what are the reserves?
Reserves are a thing which we take out from the profits. We make it as a reserves. Provisions are like an uh, liability because of some uncertainty or expense.
Okay. You are from Hyderabad? You are
Yeah, I am
originally from
from
Hyderabad?
Hyderabad. Yes, I am
Okay.
born and brought up from Hyderabad.
Okay. What is the good and bad thing about Hyderabad?
Good thing about Hyderabad is biryani and
Yeah.
charminar. These are the two things. Bad thing, I cannot just call out a single thing over here. It's like a good thing. But one thing is there heat, I would say, mostly a heat.
Okay. But I am a vegetarian. Any other thing you suggest to me?
Yeah, I am also actually a vegetarian. And paneer biryani is also way good here.
Okay, you stick to biryani, but
Yeah,
okay. Okay.
Vivek, I have a straight question for you. Why do you want to join our organization? Why do you
sir,
want to join
basically
our organization? Yes.
to grow with your organization, sir. It will help me to grow myself as a young professional and also the company. And I want to become an asset of the company, which provides the growth to the company also.
Okay. And how do you handle the feedback and criticism?
I'll handle it politely. I'll also know my part that what wrong I have done in this thing. So I'll take in a positive manner only.
Okay. And one more question. Would you prefer job stability or faster career growth? What would you prefer?
As per my nature, I'll go with job stability, sir.
Okay.
I want to be stable in the life, I would say.
You know, there's always a risk of losing things when you grow faster. But I mean, how would you see 5 years after today down the line? Because if you remain steady, if you have job stability, your package might not go up, your friends' packages will be growing up too much. How would you cope up with that kind of comparative in
But
mind?
I will stick to the one organization only, na, sir.
No, even if you stay in one organization, job stability is 100% assured to you, but the package is not growing, the position is not growing, the power profile is not growing. You're staying there where you were in the beginning. So how would you handle it?
In this case, after a couple of years, if this happens, I'll just talk to the manager or the uh, HR guy.
What is one thing that can prevent you from staying in the organization?
I did not get it, sir.
What is one thing that can actually force you to leave Jindals? Something has happened and you're ready to leave. No, I'm going.
Toxic work culture, I would say.
Okay, do you think it will be there?
I don't think so because all our freshers, what they are hiring. So yeah.
No, toxic work culture doesn't come from peers, it comes from seniors. So, how can you be so sure about it that we have it or we do not have it?
So I don't think so, sir. It will be happening generally because we know there are whistleblower policies also in the companies to call out such things and yeah.
All right. So, sir,
We can
discuss
discuss
about
about.
the location and the package.
So location is Delhi.
Okay, sir.
So,
Location is Delhi. Delhi.
Are you comfortable for relocation?
Yeah, I am comfortable for relocation, ma'am. There are
but
no
you
issues.
love Hyderabad.
Biryani.
I love Hyderabad, but for career opportunities, we need to sacrifice something or else. This is the thing. So yeah, I would like to relocate.
All right.
And what is your expectation related to the package?
12 to 14 LPM.
But realities might be different, sir. आप बताएं.
8 lakh per annum, sir.
Are you, if like on this moment you have to decide yes or no?
We are offering you 8 lakh per annum.
On the table
We
today
can
itself.
negotiate to like more than it's a 10 or 12 because 8 will be a way too for it.
No, there's no time to think for you or us. It's final that it'll be 8 LPA for sure. The location is Delhi. Congratulations on being selected. You need to take a call now. What would be your answer?
I can, but negotiation should be there, sir. 8 is a way to, I would suggest, because as per industry norms, if we see 10 to 12 is a good range.
No, that's all depends on the company policy. We have set up a bracket for it. We were offering 6 to others. We are giving 8 to you because you have a good academic background and you performed well while interacting us. So, I mean, nothing can happen in this. You will have to say either yes or no right now.
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's great. Congratulations, Vivek.
Congratulations.
Welcome to Jindal.
Jindal.
All right.
And now
तो अभी अपन फीडबैक की बात करते हैं.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
जी सर.
फर्स्ट थिंग सर, एक तो ना इनका जो बेसिकली पार्ट था ना, जो एक दो क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछे थे इनसे,
यस.
तो पहली चीज तो आपने जैसे दो क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछे आपसे, तो आपने वहां बोला कि वो सेम आंसर है. ठीक है, ओके. तो एक चीज तो हमारे पास में थी, जो हमने पूछा था आपसे कि कंपनी के अंदर स्टार्टिंग के 30 डेज में आप क्या करेंगे. ठीक है. एंड नॉर्मली आपने बोला कि मेरे को टाइम मैनेजमेंट आता है, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी मेरे अंदर है. क्वेश्चन ये था बेसिकली कि आप उस कंपनी में पहले 30 दिन में क्या करेंगे, ऐसा क्या करेंगे जो आपको डिफरेंशिएट करेगा. ठीक है. तो वहां पर सिर्फ टाइम मैनेजमेंट आपका आपको आपका आपका वो पता है आपका. ठीक है. टाइम मैनेजमेंट से काम नहीं चलेगा, वो टाइम मैनेजमेंट आपका है. ठीक है. आपके टाइम मैनेजमेंट करने से कंपनी को क्या बेनिफिट हुआ, फर्स्ट थिंग. ठीक है. तो आपके इनिशिएट वहां पे क्या होने चाहिए, तो आपका जो आंसर होना चाहिए था वो बेसिकली होना चाहिए था हमारे यहाँ पे डिसीजन मेकिंग को इंप्रूव करने को लेके. ठीक है. अपनी अप्रोच को अप्लाई करने को लेके. तो यहाँ पर जो आपके आंसर था ना, वो आंसर आपका सिमिलर सेम आंसर मिला मुझे. प्रैक्टिकली बताऊं अगर क्या हुआ विवेक, यहाँ पर आपने क्या किया ना, आपकी एक थोड़ा प्रोसेस चीज चल रही है कि मुझे ये चीजें पता है कि मैंने अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट करके अपना एग्जाम से एग्जामेशन निकाली है. उस जोन से बाहर आओ पहले तो. ठीक है, ओके. क्योंकि आप वहां पे काम करने आए हो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए, तो उस पॉइंट पे आपको जो रिप्लाई देना चाहिए वो कंपनी के पॉइंट से देना चाहिए, नंबर वन. ठीक है. आपने रिसर्च भी किया है, तो आप वहां बताओगे कि मैं आपके किस प्रोसेस में आपको हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. मैं मेरी एक्सपर्टीज इस चीज, मेरी एक्सपर्टीज किस पार्ट के अंदर है, वहां क्या इंप्रूवमेंट मिलेगा, नंबर वन. नंबर टू क्वेश्चन जो था आपके पास में कि क्या आपको डिफरेंशिएट करता है बाकी सीएमए कैंडिडेट, आपने वहां भी यही बोला कि आई नो आई एम हैविंग द लीडरशिप क्वालिटी एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट. सिमिलर आंसर, नो. दिस टू आर डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस, तो यू नीड टू आंसर सेपरेटली. ठीक है. तो सीएमए कैंडिडेट का मतलब आपके अलावा बाकी जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं, ठीक है, तो उनसे आपको क्या अलग करता है. ठीक है. अगेन वही चीज आपकी अप्रोच की बात वहां पे करनी थी. आप यहाँ बता दो कि अपनी आपकी टेक्निकल नॉलेज और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज है उसे कैसे अप्लाई कर पाते हो. पॉइंट समझना, आप यहाँ पे मेंशन करते हैं कि उनमें क्या है और मुझ में क्या अलग है. ठीक है. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में क्या अचीव किया, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, इसके अलावा अगर बात करूं व्हेन इट कम्स टू नेगोशिएशन पार्ट, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आप एक रेंज लेके चल रहे हो कि 10 से 12 मुझे मिल जाए, 12 to 14. जब आप ऐसा बोलते हो ना, तो सामने वाले पर्सन को एक प्लेस दे देते हो, ऑप्शन दे देते हो. ठीक है. एंड यू ऑलरेडी रैंक सर इनका आया है. ठीक है. एंड यहाँ पर मार्क आई थिंक 36 लाख पैकेज मैम गया था, हाईएस्ट पैकेज
36 बहुत ही कम
ये पैकेज. आपने पहले ही बहुत कम पैकेज बोला. जब पैकेज बोलते हो तो नेगोशिएशन उस पे कम आता है.
दिया था ना,
हम्म.
तो आपको रियलाइज हो जाना चाहिए कि आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस ऑलमोस्ट ठीक थे.
हम्म.
ठीक है. तो वहां पर आप हायर पैकेज की डिमांड कर सकते हो, राइट.
ठीक है.
आपका टेक्निकल राउंड जो है काफी अच्छा था, जो ये शो करता है कि आपका कमांड है हर कॉन्सेप्ट पर. एक दो क्वेश्चन वो हो जाता है. ठीक है. लाइक आपने सॉफ्टवेयर सीखे थे, तो अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर एंड ईआरपी इज एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग, जो कि एंटरप्राइज के सभी रिसोर्सेज को प्लान करता है, वेदर इट इज रिलेटेड टू इन्वेंटरी, पेरोल, ओके, या एचआर हो गया, सबको वो मैनेज करता है. वो होता है ईआरपी. आपने सुना होगा टैली ईआरपी बोलते हैं, राइट. तो जैसे एसएपी, वो तो चलो टैली छोटा मोटा ईआरपी है, एसएपी लाइक बहुत बड़ा सॉफ्टवेयर. तो बाकी आपके रेस्ट ऑफ जो आंसर्स थे ना, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, आपके आंसर्स बहुत अच्छे थे. आप अच्छे पैकेज के लिए जा सकते हो, राइट. बाकी सब कुछ अच्छा सुने.
यस. एंड बी ऑनेस्ट विवेक, जैसे शुरू के 30 डेज में आपने बोलना था I'll invest this time to learn more and more about the company, to understand the process, I'll improve upon my knowledge, both technical and soft, I'll be in line with the process of company, I'll make peers, I'll learn more and more about it, I'll try to get everything so that on day 31st I'll be ready with you, for you. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अगर आपको ठीक भी है तो. आंसर्स जब नहीं आते तो अच्छा किया आपने, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। जो नहीं आता वो नहीं आता, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। बहुत बार विवेक ऐसा होता है, यू नो दी आंसर्स, वो उस टाइम क्लिक नहीं होता, तो बिल्कुल ठीक है।
We are unable to say it actually
हाँ,
sometimes.
डू नॉट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन वेटिंग अप, जैसे हम एग्जाम में करते हैं कि आंसर याद आ जाए याद आ जाए, यहाँ ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना। एवरीथिंग वेंट वेरी वेल, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी इंटरव्यू में।
Ask the question ना सर, ऐसा होता
हाँ, बस ये जितने हम कंटेंट लिखते हैं, सेक्रेटरियल कंप्लायंसेस, जीएसटी, अकाउंटिंग, उनका नॉलेज झलक रहा था, क्योंकि आपने वाकई में काम किया होगा। बहुत बार लोग लिख
Yes.
देते हैं और वो काम करते नहीं है, तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस लूज कर जाते हैं जब कोई टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। 7 इज एक्चुअली, 7 has big set of contents. 7A is a shorter version of MGT7. Small companies, small
Actually, I
firm.
worked on only 7A ही, 7 पे नहीं किया था काम, तो मेरे को आइडिया नहीं था उसका।
हाँ, तो वो
7A पे
शॉर्टर
ही किया
वर्जन,
था मैंने।
राइट। तो 7 is a big version। आपको जब पूछा गया कि क्या क्या आप वैल्यू ऐड करेंगे, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू जॉइन दिस कंपनी ओनली, व्हाई ओनली जिंदल्स, तो आपने जैसे सामने वाले की तारीफ करी, अपनी भी करनी है। I've secured 6 exemptions so far. I've secured all India rank. I bring the skills that I've learned in articleship. That would definitely do wonders. सामने वाले को फुल कॉन्फिडेंस से अपनी स्किल बतानी है। हमको कोई पोस्टफुल नहीं होना, बट स्टिल हम अच्छा अच्छा अपने बारे में ट्रू
मतलब
बताएं।
मुझे अपने बारे में मतलब ओवर कमिट नहीं करना था, मतलब इतने सारे कॉलेज ऐसा बताना नहीं था मुझे।
हाँ, नहीं 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 नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप बताओ डिसेंट वे में, आप बताओ कि भाई मैंने एग्जामिशंस लिए हैं, मैंने 20वीं रैंक हासिल करी है। few of the few do it, right? So that is the big reason I want to join a big organization, so that I can match my expectations, the organization's expectation. तो आप भी अपने आप को अच्छा दिखाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। And it went well.
है। यस सर। एंड आई थिंक सो इनको जो मांग डिमांड करना चाहिए एक्सपेक्टेड वाला पार्ट, वो भी आपका 20+ आपको डिमांड करना चाहिए। 20, 24, 25, 26 यू कैन डिमांड। ठीक है, जिस कंपनी की आप बात कर रहे हो सर, आई थिंक उसमें इट्स नॉर्मल प्रैक्टिस
जिन
आई
और कई बार
जिंदल
क्या
का
होता है,
मतलब उन्होंने दे दिया है सर ऑलरेडी,
हाँ,
12.5 इन ट्रेनिंग
ओके।
पीरियड, 14 आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग पीरियड, ऐसा कर।
राइट, नो
ओके।
प्रॉब्लम, मेनी अ टाइम्स इट हैज हैपेंड विवेक। जो पैकेज लिखकर भेजा जाता है, उस पैकेज से फिल्टरिंग होती है कि भाई ये बच्चे आ गए। सो व्हेन यू गो इन द इंटरव्यू, उसके बाद पैकेज बढ़ भी सकते हैं, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। द इंटरव्यूअर शुड बी क्वाइट हैप्पी आफ्टर द इंटरव्यू, दे विल रिकमेंड समथिंग ग्रेट फॉर यू। और ये भी होता है कि जब आपने ज्वाइन करा, ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में आपका 12.5 रहा, और फिर उसके बाद जो बढ़ना चाहिए था वो 14.5 की जगह 16.5 हो गया। यू नेवर नो व्हाट हैपेंस, बट इट वाज गुड।
सो
It's entirely depend upon your performance. So,
ओवरऑल
बिल्कुल।
एनी क्रिटिसिज्म विच आई हैव टू टेक, कि क्या गलत हो सकता है, मतलब क्या गलत हुआ है?
नहीं नहीं, कुछ गलत नहीं हुआ। यू हैंडल्ड इट वेल। वी हैव टेकन अदर इंटरव्यूज, वी नो द डिफरेंस। यू हैव गुड मास्टरी ओवर आंसर्स, इट्स गुड। बट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में नहीं जाना है, जैसे यहाँ
हाँ
परफॉर्म
हाँ
किया, ऑनेस्ट आंसर्स वहां आपने देने हैं।
हाँ, पूरे ऑनेस्ट दिए थे सर, जितना मैंने
बस।
प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग में किया था।
और अपनी प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग का जो एक्सपोजर है ना, जो आपकी नॉलेज है, उसको भी यूज करो अपने आंसर्स के अंदर। कि मैंने ये परफॉर्म कर लिया है, मैंने अभी तक ये पार्ट पूरा कर लिया, आपने यूज भी किया बीच में एक बार, वो अच्छा पार्ट था
हाँ
वहां पे।
सर।
ओके
ऑल
सर,
राइट।
ऑल राइट,
now best of luck for
ऑल
your
द
interview.
बेस्ट।
थैंक यू मैम।